हेलो बच्चों, आप देख रहे हैं अग्रवाल क्लासेस की वीडियोस। आज का टॉपिक है मोलैरिटी। व्हाट इज मोलैरिटी? मोलैरिटी इज बेसिकली ए टर्म दैट इज यूज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस concentration of a solution. Now, how to define molarity? It is defined as number of moles of solute per liter volume of the solution. यानी कि we can find out by dividing number of moles of solute by the volume of the solution, but solution का volume जो है वो लीटर में होना चाहिए. The unit of molarity will be mole per liter or it can be represented by capital M. Now the question arises, how to find the number of moles of solute? Number of moles of solute is equal to given mass divided by molar mass. W is the given mass, M is the molar mass. What is molar mass? Molar mass is the gram atomic or gram molecular mass. When we find molecular mass in unified unit, we add G, then we get gram molecular mass and it is molar mass. Molarity depends on the temperature because molarity is dependent on the volume. If the temperature of the solution rises, then naturally the volume will increase, and due to the increase in volume, denominator will be more, and as a result of which the whole quantity will be less and the molarity decreases with the increase in temperature. Now we find the molarity with an example. Suppose we have sodium hydroxide which is 80 gram and it is dissolved in 2000 milliliter of water. Now the question is, what is the molarity of the solution so formed? Find the molarity. What is the molarity? Let us see how to solve this question. We have to find the number of moles of solute first, then volume of the solution in liter. Number of moles of solute can be found by dividing given mass by molar mass. Given mass is this, W is already given, 80 gram. Molar mass, what is molar mass? We can easily find. Sodium hydroxide, we will add the mass of all the atoms, and then instead of U, because U is unified mass, we will use G to find molar mass. 40 gram is the molar mass of sodium hydroxide. 40 gram is the molar mass. Number of moles is represented by small n. This is equal to W by M. We can here also write number of moles in small n. Number of moles will be given mass 80 divided by molar mass 40, 2 mole. Number of moles are 2 moles. What is the volume? Volume is 2000 milliliter, but it should be in liter. Therefore, we will divide it by 1000 to find its volume in liter. 2 liter is the volume. 1 liter is actually 1000 milliliter, or we can say 1000 cubic centimeter. Now the volume has come in liter, 2 liter. What is the molarity? Molarity will be number of moles 2 divided by total volume of the solution 2 in liters 1 m. Molarity represented by capital M, as you can see here also. Now the solution which is formed by mixing 80 gram of sodium hydroxide in 2000 milliliter water will have molarity 1 molar. It means it will be 1 molar solution. I think you understood it well. Thank you for being and watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.